It's important to approach relationships with honesty, respect, and genuine care for the other person. Trying to make someone addicted to you is not a healthy or ethical approach to a relationship. Instead, focus on building a strong connection and fostering a loving and supportive bond. Here are 5 tips for building a meaningful and lasting relationship. Number 1. Be yourself. Authenticity is key in any relationship. Be genuine and honest about who you are, your interests, and your values. Pretending to be someone you're not will only lead to problems in the long run. Know your values. Understand what's important to you and what you stand for. Being clear about your values will help you be authentic in your actions and decisions. Embrace your interests, share your passions and hobbies with her. Being enthusiastic about your interests can be contagious and will allow her to see your genuine self. Be honest. Don't pretend to be someone you're not or exaggerate your qualities to impress her. Authenticity builds trust and sets the foundation for a deeper connection. Number 2. Show genuine interest. Listen actively and attentively when she talks. Ask questions and show interest in her thoughts, feelings, and experiences. This demonstrates that you value her as a person and are genuinely interested in getting to know her better. Active listening. Pay attention when she talks, maintain eye contact, and avoid interrupting. Show that you value what she has to say. Ask open-ended questions. Encourage meaningful conversations by asking questions that require more than a simple yes or no answer. This shows curiosity and engagement. Remember the details. Take note of the things she shares with you, such as her favorite activities or her dreams. Remembering these details demonstrates that you care and are invested in getting to know her better. Number 3. Respect her boundaries. Everyone has their own personal boundaries, and it's essential to respect them. Pushing someone beyond their comfort zone or disregarding their boundaries can create feelings of discomfort and unease, which will harm the relationship. Communication. Have an open and honest conversation about each other's boundaries and comfort levels. This will establish mutual understanding and respect. Consent matters. Always ask for consent and make sure she is comfortable with the pace of the relationship, both emotionally and physically. Be patient. If she needs space or time to process something, respect her need for it. Pressuring her to share or do something against her can be damaging. Number 4. Be supportive and caring. Show empathy and support during both the good times and the bad. Be there to celebrate her successes and provide comfort and encouragement during difficult moments. Celebrate her successes. Be genuinely happy for her accomplishments and show that you are her biggest cheerleader. Offer emotional support. When she faces challenges or difficult times, be there to listen and provide comfort. Sometimes being a good listener is the best support you can offer. Small gestures. Show you care through thoughtful acts, like surprising her with her favorite treat or leaving her a kind note. Number 5. Communicate openly and honestly. Effective communication is the foundation of any healthy relationship. Express your thoughts and feelings clearly and listen to hers as well. This fosters understanding, trust, and emotional intimacy. Share your feelings. Express your emotions and thoughts openly. Vulnerability fosters emotional intimacy and helps build a stronger connection. Be a good communicator. Practice active communication by paraphrasing what she says to ensure you understand her correctly and avoid misunderstandings. Resolve conflicts constructively. Disagreements are natural in any relationship, but it's essential to address them respectfully and find solutions together. Remember, building a strong and healthy relationship takes time, effort, and mutual respect. There's no magic trick to make someone addicted to you, nor should that be the goal. Instead, strive to create a loving, respectful, and fulfilling connection based on trust and genuine care for each other.